Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse your browser or app gallery and download any apps on app gallery for HUAWEI Nova 10. So let's start with app gallery, and right here we want to install this app, for example. So let's click on install, and the app starts download, but then stops on 0%, and you need to resume, and it stops all the time. So next is a browser. We can open it right here, go for the YouTube, but as you can see we also can't open this website. To fix this, we need to open the settings. Here find system and updates, date and time, set time automatically. Make sure to enable this setting and go back. Now if we go for app gallery and resume the download, it should download normally. If you go for the browser, the websites should work fine now, but you also might need to restart it. So now let's go for this my key, for example, on Google, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.